So SUI is gradually approaching this order block zone. You understand? The moment we are taking out this liquidity right here, this previous high, then just expect SUI to sharply tap into this order block and then get a slight correction from there. We are going to be talking about the SUI price. The current price is seated at $2.98. We are left with 1 hour and 32 minutes until this current 4-hour candle closes. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the orders chart, the BTC price chart, and also the BTC dominance chart. Now, if you're paying attention to the orders chart, history is about to repeat herself for a lot of cryptocurrencies and meme coins in the space. Now, this is orders chart excluding top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. Now, the last time this pattern formed, which was several months ago, we got a massive moonshot to the upside. Over $260 billion was added to the orders market. Now, what am I trying to say in essence? We are now like showing signal of another massive rally. Now, the last time the rally happened, it happened for straight 5 week non-stop steady pump, 5 good weeks. Now, if you're paying attention, I think we might take out this previous high this time around, which is around $491 billion, which was the previous high of the last market cycle in 2021. The moment we are taking that high out, which I think should happen considering the institutional adoption, the government involvement, the overall cryptocurrency adoption. The moment we're taking out that previous high, flipping it into a support, a clean support, then we should start expecting the orders chart entire market cap to head into the $600 billion, $700 billion territory. A pump from here alone to this high is even going to be massive for the entire altcoin market, like seriously. Now, let's talk about SUI once again. Now, for we to invalidate this bearish order block, we need to be in a very, very bullish market sentiment, and also SUI needs to approach this order block with a very, very huge trading volume. The moment the volume is huge, we are likely to invalidate this order block, flip it into a support, and then continue our journey to the upside. We have a lot of price target here. The first price target is $3.52. The second one is $3.72. And then the third one, I'm talking about short-term price target, is $4.18. In the long run, SUI can easily tap into the $20, the $50 zone, which is still very, very possible, considering the utility and the solid team, the community this wonderful project has built. If you're yet to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button. Thank you. If we are not able to make our journey to the upside, then we should expect to buy into SUI around $2.83. That zone is likely to be a reversal zone. We have a lot of liquidity piled up in that zone as well. The zone around $2.80. That zone is very, very important. So I'm going to be setting a massive limit order on the spot market around that price. That is if we get a pullback. If we don't, fine, I'm okay still. I'm okay seeing SUI make massive move to the upside. Now, let's talk about the BTC dominance real quick. If you're paying attention, the BTC dominance is currently seated at 65.17%. We are left with 28 days and 14 hours until this current monthly candle closes. The monthly candle is still sitting very, very small, and is indicating a bearish signal already. Now, we need to see this monthly candle, this current monthly candle that is showing a bearish signal, drop massively into this zone. And the moment we are entering this zone, breaking below it, flipping the zone into a resistance, then expect further price drop for the BTC dominance. We need to see that to happen in order for altcoin season to begin. As long as the BTC dominance continues to increase in percentage, then altcoin season is going to be postponed. It's going to take a while to come. So for we to enter into a full-blown altcoin season, we need to see the BTC dominance start retracing aggressively. Historically, the month of May is usually the month BTC dominant bottoms, but this market cycle has proven to be exception, has proven to be different from the previous cryptocurrency market cycle. And it's as a result of the institutional adoption, government involvement, like mass adoption. So that was I think that is one of the major reasons the entire crypto space has like shifted, because it hasn't really followed the same pattern it has been following since its inception. Now, the dump for this BTC dominance is going to be diabolical and is going to be televised. I'm expecting a minus 39% dump on the BTC dominance. The last time we had a minus 4% dump on the BTC dominance, altcoin market rally, some coins were pumping 50% in a day. I think that was a few months ago. Just 4% drop on the BTC dominance. Now imagine what would then happen when we start dropping 10%, 20%, 30%, up to this 39%, which is usually the bottom area for the BTC dominance. That is when you can begin to see 200% gain on altcoins on a daily basis, because the altcoin market is going to be in a full-blown parabolic move to mass. There's no point selling now when the BTC dominant hasn't even like bottom or began her correction. I think what you should be doing now is to dollar cost average into your favorite altcoins with good utility, good hype, and solid team. The reason why I'm saying that is, as long as we are still above this resistance, we are currently above this, we have tapped into this order block, this entire area, the zone between 71% to 60% is an entire bearish order block. So we've now tapped into it, but there is still tendency that we might continue to like increase further to around this 71% before getting a massive retracement from there. So if that is happening, then your best bet should be dollar cost average into your favorite altcoins, because they are going to bleed and give you a more discount opportunity to buy into. Whatever I say is really my own opinion, by the way, and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. So if we should get to 71%, then the crash is going to be diabolical. And if the crash should begin from here, which is what I'm expecting and what I wish to get, the crash is still going to be diabolical. A lot of you are going to make life-changing gains. The gains you are going to begin to see, the profit you are going to begin to see in your portfolio will like amaze you. It will be unbelievable. Position yourself correctly now before this crash happens. I think the crash is almost nearing its peak. The pump for the BTC dominance is almost nearing its peak. And any moment from now, we should start expecting that crash. BTC just tapped into the $110,000 zone, and is currently traded around around $109,969. We are left with 1 hour 46 minutes until this 4-hour candle closes. BTC successfully flipped the $108,000 zone into a support, and the moment that happened, we got an 8-hour moonshot candle to the upside. We are here to take out the previous resistance, which was around $111,000 for the price of BTC. This was the previous resistance. So the moment we are able to take that resistance out, flip it into a support, then we should expect further price move to around 115K to 120K for the price of BTC. Now let's go back to the BTC dominant real quick. Now the moment you start seeing the BTC dominant retrace, let me give you like a cheat sheet now, a cheat code. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominant retrace or dip or dump massively to the downside, and you see the BTC price increasing, that is a sign that we are either in the early stage of the altcoin season or the altcoin season is about to begin. We need to see the BTC dominance dumping aggressively, and then BTC price pumping to the upside. Then altcoin is going to explode. But when you see the BTC dominance increasing and you see the BTC price increasing, altcoins are going to bleed. And if you see the BTC dominance dumping to the downside and you see BTC price consolidating or moving sideways, then altcoins are going to have a relief rally. So that's just that for that. So as always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely, position yourself before the massive dump on the BTC dominance begins. As always, if you haven't liked this video, please smash the like button. Drop what you think in the comment section of this video. Share this video with your friends and family. As always, peace out.